Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel A Mentor Indeed. Today we're going to be talking about skills development and how it can help you advance your career. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to keep learning and developing new skills. By doing so, you'll not only stay competitive in the job market, but also enhance your personal and professional growth. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The importance of skills development. Before we get into the ways to develop your skills, let's first talk about why it's so important. Skills development helps you stay relevant in your field, adapt to new technologies and changes, and increases your value to employers. Moreover, it provides a sense of accomplishment and enhances your self-esteem. So, it's safe to say that skills development is a win-win situation. Ways to develop your skills. Now, let's get into the 5 ways you can develop your skills. Attend workshops and conferences. Attending workshops and conferences is a great way to learn about new trends and technologies in your field. You can also network with industry professionals and learn from their experiences. Take online courses. With so many online courses available, it's never been easier to learn new skills. Whether it's through platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, or Coursera, you can take courses at your own pace and convenience. Read industry publications. Reading industry publications like journals, magazines, and blogs can help you stay up to date on the latest developments in your field. You can also learn from other professionals and stay informed about emerging trends. Join professional associations. Joining professional associations can provide you with opportunities to connect with other professionals in your field, attend conferences and workshops, and access online resources and tools. Seek feedback and mentorship. Seeking feedback and mentorship from colleagues and supervisors can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and develop a plan for improvement. You can also learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 ways to develop your skills and advance your career. Remember, skills development is an ongoing process, and it requires dedication and commitment. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can not only stay competitive in the job market, but also enhance your personal and professional growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and support for more video. amentorindeed.com